Describing words. वज़ाहती अल्फाज. Dear children, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn about describing words. अब हम वज़ाहती अल्फाज सीखते हैं. Here we see a man who is fat in the picture. A fat man. A fat man. A fat man. एक मोटा आदमी. Here we see a man who is thin in the picture. A thin man. A thin man. A thin man. एक पतला आदमी. Here we see a nut which is hard in the picture. A hard nut. A hard nut. A hard nut. एक सख्त nut. Here we see a sofa which is soft in the picture. A soft sofa. A soft sofa. A soft sofa. एक नरम सोफा. Here we see a man who carries heavy books in the picture. Heavy books. Heavy books. Heavy books. भारी किताबें. Here we see a man who carries a light book in the picture. A light book. A light book. A light book. एक हल्की किताब. Here we see an elephant which is big in the picture. A big elephant. A big elephant. A big elephant. एक बड़ा हाथी. Here we see a rat which is small in the picture. A small rat. A small rat. A small rat. एक छोटा चूहा. Here we see a giraffe which is tall in the picture. A tall giraffe. A tall giraffe. A tall giraffe. एक लंबा ज़राफ़ा. Here we see a deer which is short in the picture. A short deer. A short deer. A short deer. एक छोटा हिरन. Here we see a car which runs fast in the picture. A fast car. A fast car. A fast car. एक तेज कार. Here we see a bicycle which runs slow in the picture. A slow bicycle. A slow bicycle. A slow bicycle. एक सुस्त साइकिल. Here we see a basket which is empty in the picture. An empty basket. An empty basket. An empty basket. एक खाली टोकरी. Here we see a basket which is full in the picture. A full basket. A full basket. A full basket. एक भरी टोकरी.